Hi everyone, welcome to Basic and Advanced SAS. So today we are doing the Proc Reg. So what is Proc Reg and why we are using the Proc Reg in the SAS? So Proc Reg is a SAS processor is used for linear regression analysis. So here is this example code for the Proc Reg, why we are using it. And so Proc Reg is basically work on the dependent and independent data. So let's suppose we have two variables x and the y. So this is x and y. So let's suppose we have year and sales in the xy. So let's suppose my x is going 2, so y is going 3. If my x is 3, my y is going 4. So it's showing some relationship between the independent variable with the one variable and second variable. So if my x is increasing, so my y is also increasing. So that relation we can do check with the linear regression. For this we are using linear regression. So how the linear regression will work and how we are using the Proc Reg, let's see in the SAS Studio. So this is my SAS Studio. Here I'm writing the code to how to use the Proc Reg. So first of all, I want to see my data. So I'm using one data set here related to the sales data we have our sales. So first of all, I'm viewing my data. So I'm viewing with the sgplot. I want to see the what is the data and how my sales data is going on. So I'm using the all sales. This is my all sales data. Then I'm giving the my title for my graph. So I'm giving yearly sales. So I want to see the yearly sales profit of graph of my data. Okay. Then I'm using the vbar here to view the my data. Okay. So here the response will be here in the profit. So that will profit. And this is the vertical bar. Then we need to declare here our axis and y. So for axis, I'm declaring the label as the first of all the year, and y label will be my y-axis will be my profit. Then run statement simply. So they will be create the one graph here for this, and they will be show us the sales of our data. So let's suppose my sales is growing the 99 to 2002. So how it's going on, how the graph is going up and down, they're showing us. Okay. Now I want to apply the Proc Reg. So Proc Reg is very simple, and they will be show us the many important output with the Proc Reg we can see. So first of all, I'm simply writing SAS Proc Reg data, then sashelp. Sashelp. In the sashelp, I want to see which data or sales data. Then simply we need to write a model. So model then equal to profit equal to year. Simply I write it and then run statement. Now if I run it, you can see here it will be create the more detail of our data, how the data is going on. So you can see here this is showing the dependent variable is a profit, and it's showing the how the profit varies with the time, and the result of the analysis showing the including the regression coefficient, standard errors, and the other statistics will be displayed. And it provides the insight into relationship between the profit and year, including whether it is significant linear or not. So you can see here they're showing the proportion of this one, and this is my year-wise sales, and here we have the predicted one. So how this is going on. So Proc Reg is very important and very useful if you want to see the relationship between two data sets, two column variables, let's suppose the profit and the year. So this is all about the Proc Reg. Thank you guys.